Welcome. In this tutorial we shall learn how to apply bevels to the object. Bevel effect adds 3D depth to a graphic or text by making its edges appear sloped. Select a closed object. Now click Effect. Select Bevel. Choose Soft Edge from the Style list box. Enter the offset options. Select to center to create beveled surfaces that meet in the middle of object. Select distance to specify width of beveled surfaces. You can also change the color of beveled surfaces by selecting the shadow color. Choose Spotlight color from the color palette. You can change the intensity of spotlight by specifying value in the intensity. Specify the direction of the spotlight. Specify the altitude. Lowest altitude of 0 places spotlight on plane of the object and 90 places directly above it. To create emboss effect, select Emboss from the Style list box. Now click Apply. To remove the bevel effect, click on Effects and select Clear Effect. Thank you.